this is TechBizmo, and welcome back once again to another video. In this video, everybody, I'm basically going to be just explaining, I'm going to be answering a question. Do I still use Windows, and if so, what do I use it for? So, to be honest, I do use Windows on one of my computers, but I am happy to say that this is not my main computer. My main computer is actually my Dell Latitude E6430. Daily driver, very nice laptop, by the way. You can check out my review of that video right here. I did make a just little review video showing, a bit of the, I/O, the CPU, and, the display and stuff like that. Well, anyways, let's go ahead and get on to the purpose of this video. Do I use Windows 10, and if so, what do I use it for? So yes, guys, you can see I'm actually restoring an iPhone through iTunes. To be honest, I do use Windows 10, and the only things I use it for are stuff like file transfers and editing. So basically, what I mean by file transfers is what you guys just saw, which is iTunes, and other file transfers include, like, let's see, I use this computer to download, ISOs and stuff when I'm trying to do stuff on this computer, and I don't want to suck up all the bandwidth on that computer. Because if you don't know, it actually can affect the speed of internet if you're downloading it from the same computer. However, it doesn't affect the speed as much if you're downloading it on a different computer. This desktop is a gaming desktop. However, I don't do any gaming. The only game I play sometimes is Minecraft. So, yeah, I don't turn this computer on that much. And I know I'm going to get a lot of comments saying TechBizmo, come on, just use Kdenlive. It's open source, it's free, and it's on Linux. Well, basically, there are just a couple of things that I need with Windows. For example, I'm actually going to be soon doing some programming with some of the stuff from my dad's work. Yeah, there's just an example of one thing that that requires Windows, because the software for his PLCs, I believe they're called, the PLCs that I'm going to be programming. They actually require Windows use, so that's why I have this computer. But this is the only computer that I have that runs Windows. I actually do have some other computers over here. This is not my computer. This HP Pavilion is not my computer. This Acer Aspire F15 is my computer. However, that does not run Windows. That runs Linux Mint Cinnamon. And if you guys are asking for proof, I'll show you in the next video that if I get any comments saying proof, then sure, I'll open it up a little bit later in a future video and show you. This computer has actually nothing on it currently, just BIOS, I guess. This computer actually runs nothing. Also, this has no hard drive. This has no hard drive. So they're kind of just bricks right now. They're not being used. But yeah, as I said, this HP Pavilion is not mine. It's my brother's. So yeah. So my Dell XPS, which is downstairs, I can't show you guys right now. It does run Linux Mint Cinnamon, and this right here runs Aurora 28, a testing version of Aurora 28 Cinnamon. It's actually fairly stable. I was expecting a lot less stability, and a lot of bugs with the operating system itself, but I was actually surprised that it was not that buggy, and it actually was working out fairly well. So yeah. So the editing software that I use anyway is Sony Vegas Pro 15. Now this is only compatible with Windows, unless I am going to go crazy and say, oh, let's do it on a let's use Sony Vegas Pro 8 in play on Linux slash wine. Well, actually, Sony Vegas Pro 15 has a lot newer features. It's a lot updated. It's actually a lot faster, believe it or not, too. So yeah, basically this is just a video showing you guys that I do indeed use Windows, and I'm sorry guys that I do. I'm going to be asking sudo Linux, I'm sorry, Saturn256, aka just my buddy Highland, if there's any way I can just get rid of the spying, because I do not have any cameras, I do not have any location services enabled. I don't have any microphones enabled to this. All I use it for is file transfers and Sony Vegas Pro. And you can see there's my iPhone right there, just brand new, restored through iTunes. I apologize. So yeah, as I said, I will be trying my best to find a way to remove the spyware, and well, not spyware, but the spying by Microsoft. Well, yeah. I'll give you guys an update in the future by how that goes, and maybe we'll make that into a bit of a vlog video. Anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching.